This is crypto, made fun, we make it simple. Oh, simple, simple, simple.
Hi everyone, on today's video, let me tell you what nobody tells you before you jump into crypto. You will cry. You forget that there is cry in crypto, but that was on a lighter note. But firstly, your emotions will be tested. I'm not even joking. One day your money is up, you're feeling like a financial guru, and the next day you're calculating what car you will buy, and the next day the market drops and you're refreshing your app every 2 seconds like, wait, what is going on? The emotional roller coaster is very real. You can't control your emotions. Crypto will humble you quickly. Secondly, scams are everywhere. I mean everywhere in the crypto space. Send one Bitcoin and get two back. Guaranteed profits in 24 hours. Secret investment opportunity. Buy these coins, you do 100x in the next 10 to 15 minutes. My guy, relax. If it sounds too good to be true, it's not an opportunity, it's a trap. In crypto, you have to be sharp. Nobody is coming to save you. Thirdly, fees will humble you too. Sometimes it's just small charges. Transfer fee here, network fee there, withdrawal fee again. Before you know it, you have paid more than you've expected. So always check what you're paying for. Next one is nobody actually knows everything. Even experts you see online, sometimes they get it wrong. So if you're just following hype, copying what people say without understanding what you're doing, you're following idolo. That's not investing. That's gambling with confidence. And lastly, patience is everything. Let me be real. Most people don't lose money because crypto is bad. They lose money because they rush in when it's trending. They panic when price drops and they sell at the worst possible time. Then later, the market goes back up without them. Crypto is actually simple, but it requires discipline. If you can stay calm and avoid unnecessary risk, keep learning and think long term, you're already ahead of most people in the space that want to get rich quick. Because in crypto, the patient ones usually wins. So let me know in the comments other thoughts you have about crypto. See you on the next video. Like, share, and subscribe.
This is crypto.